Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the owner of Google Form. This method is super quick and super easy, and you can do it just a few clicks. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Forms and select the forms that you want to transfer to someone else like this. Make sure you are logged into Make sure you are logged in with the account that currently owns the form, because only the owner can transfer ownership. And then now look at the icon that looks like a little person with the plus signs. This icon, just tap on it, and then a sharing window will pop up like this. And then on this box, just type the email address of the person that you want to make the new owner of the form. For example like this, and then after that just change their access from responder to editor like this. And then next, if you want, you can also write a short message in the message box, this one. And then when you're done about the message and then the settings, just simply tap on send. Okay, like this. And then once you have added them as an editor, just simply refresh the page and then just click the add collaborator icon again. This icon, just tap on it again like this, and then now you will see the person that you just added listed under the editor sections like this. And then just click the drop down arrow next to their name like this, and then just choose transfer ownerships, this one, just tap on it, and then just click on send invitations. And okay, Google will now send them an email asking them to accept the ownership transfers. The new owner just need to open their email inbox and accept the invitations. And once they accept it, the form ownership will officially be transferred to them. And they will become the new owner, and you will automatically become an editor instead. And okay, that's it. Super simple, right? Now you know exactly how to change the Google Form owner quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!